Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a waist pack or sling pack, depending on how you wear it, from Ghostek. This is the Volticslim. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now today we're taking a look at a brand new product from Ghostek that is going to give you a lot of flexibility when it comes to how you carry your smart devices. This is a waist pack, as you can see right here, but it could be used in many ways. You can use it as a front sling, you can use it as a back sling. I've seen a lot of people wear it this way. But what's special about this is the construction and the durability. So let's take a look at some of the features so you can see why you may want to consider this. So first of all, it has a very thick strap that, again, you could opt to use this like I did. Like I had it in my chest, either front or back. Or you could have this around your waist. And it has, I would say, very configurable or sizable straps, right? So all you do is, depending on the length of your waist or how you want to wear it, adjust it on either side, and you'll notice that it has that on both sides. And then it has a very durable, I would say, locking mechanism. So that's the locking mechanism that you have right there. We'll go ahead and push this out so you can see how it goes into place. Nice, satisfying snap, and that's going to keep it in place. And again, the material, as you can see here, is pretty rugged. It's going to keep this in place. Now, in addition to having a very healthy strap, you have a locking mechanism. So you notice here, this opens up, but then this secures it. So in the event that someone were to open up the zipper, they won't be able to get access to it because you have to remove these bungees. The other thing that I like about this design is that most of the waist straps or waist packs that I've seen, or these, if you're carrying it in front, right, or in your back, open outward, right? So when you open these up, you open this way, and then basically it opens. This does the reverse, and that's for security purposes. So you notice is that as I open this up, my zipper opens this way. So as I'm going this way, because it opens inward, which means that if you have this on your chest, you really don't have to worry about, maybe somebody, opening it when you're not paying attention, or if you have it on your back, or even if you flip it around. So if you have it on your waist and you flip it behind you for whatever reason, you don't have to worry about somebody gaining access because the front doesn't have the opening, right? So it has really nice material in the front, really great stitching, as you can see here, and then it has these bungees. So I'm going to go ahead and remove one of these so that you can see how it works. Open it up. So that's an additional security piece. And then I'm going to open it up completely. Now, for those of you who are maybe considering this would be great for the holidays as a gift. It is water resistant as well, right? So if you're biking, for example, and if you're wearing bicycle shorts, you really don't have a lot of space for anything. So this would be great for an athlete who's doing something like that. We'll open it up here, and you notice that, it has a lot of protective areas. You have an area here that you could put for headphones. You could put this for USB-C cable. You could have some spare change here. Here I have the OnePlus 8T. You notice how easily it fits in here, and there's a lot of space here. So you can fit not only, I would say, a phone, a large phone, the new iPhone, or even a Note 20, but you can fit other accessories. So what I could do is, for example, put my phone here, right? So you notice how it has that little bungee there. And then I have space to connect some keys, notice. Or if I wanted to have an extended battery that I'm taking with me, I can put this as well. You notice that it has a little area for cards, so you can put like your driver's license, credit cards in here as well. So this is really going to give you a lot of flexibility. And I like this little bungee area here because when I move it like this, it keeps my phone nice in place. Also, is when I face it in this way, you notice I have my screen pointing this way. What it does is it protects my screen, especially if I have other items here moving about, especially since you can have your keys connected to this little bungee here, and you don't want that really touching your screen or potentially damaging your screen. So really simple solution, but really I would say functional, right? So I love the way it was very well thought out, because at first when I received it, I was wondering, well, how about if somebody gets access to it? The problem is that something like this is going to be really difficult, even if I were to sling it behind me, and you're going to see me do this right now. So I'm going to take it, put the bungee back on this side here, and then do the same thing with this one right here. And now you'll see you could either use this around your waist. I prefer to either have it in the front, so if you have it like this, right? Or if you have it in the back, put it like this, and you're going out about, right? You don't have to worry about someone messing with anything behind there because the zipper's open towards your back. So really, really secure. And then again, you could also then flip this around. Let me go ahead and unlock it. All right. And if you choose to have it the other way, again, you could have it like this, just like I had it a couple seconds ago. So it goes around your waist, either in the front or the back, keeps all your items secure. You have kind of like this breathable material, this bump area or this raised area. What this does is it gives you venting, so that if you have it against yourself, I don't know if you've seen anyone who's taken off a backpack and then they have like a sweat stain in the back. Well, this keeps it off of your clothing or off your chest or off your waist, so that you have continued venting and cooling, and you don't experience those kind of sweat stains because of this. So this is a real nice design. So again, giving you a lot of flexibility. I think this is going to be a great option for this holiday season. I'll include all the details about this product, but let me know what you thought about it in the comment area below.